Welcome back. Which of the following is true for golden rice? Golden rice was created by introducing genes that produce beta carotene. Now, beta carotene is a precursor of vitamin A. It is called provitamin A. This is the gene and this is the source plant, daffodil. So the question is, why not clone vitamin A directly? Why do we need to clone a precursor of vitamin A? Why do we have to clone beta carotene? The answer is vitamin A is fat soluble. So excess consumption of rice might lead to hypervitaminosis, accumulation of vitamin A in body, and that can have serious health complications. So this is the reason we have a genetic engineering appraisal committee. This is a government body that is going to evaluate the possible effects of any genetically modified product on human health or in general to nature. So this committee will evaluate the safety first and then it will check the efficiency. If something is efficient but not safe, it will not be approved by the committee. Regarding this important concern of students, what does A in GEAC stands for? Is it approval or appraisal? So if you look at the English meaning, approval is the final process of permitting something, whereas appraisal is the whole process of evaluating a product and then finally giving the permission of its use. So appraisal is the appropriate word. And in case you are confused what option you will choose, so let me give you this reference. This question was asked in 2018 and look at the option. The option, there is no option which says approval. There is only one option and it says appraisal. So this is the correct full form of GEAC. Even if you get both the options, always choose this one. Always go for universal truth. Keep in mind the 2022 question on seminiferous tubule. So many students challenge the question saying that in NCERT from is given, into is not given, but NTA will always go for what is universal truth.